This
We'll
conference
start
will
the
now be
sections.
recorded.
Okay, now see here how to do this. So we are discussing about the enterprise structure here. So define company, where we have to going to do define company code, assign company code to the company, and define business area. Okay, so we'll start with this our software. Last class we have come here like enterprise resource, enterprise structures. Just click on this and we have to go to the definitions. Just write the steps how to go to this. Go to the enterprise structure. This is the path, longer way. So enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting, and define company. So all are able to see the screen. So everyone able to see the screen here. Okay, fine. So let other tell other students has to join the meeting also. Apeksha is not there now. Apeksha also you can tell. And we'll start this now. See here. Define company. Click on this define company and click on the new entries. So I'll create one more new company, Tata 28. So company will be 6 digit. Okay. So here I'll create Tata group of company. 28 and district is like you can fill all the details right now. I'm filling the city. Country is IN. Okay. India language key EN and currency we have INR. Okay. So after filling all these details, click on save button. So data was saved. Okay. Come back to this. How we'll check our company has been created? Just showing on the screen itself. Company is Tata 28. Company name is Tata Group of Company is that. So again you click on the save button one more time. Okay. Just come back to the previous screen. This is called display image. Okay. Now we have to create a company code. So you can write the path here. This is the path SPRO, SAP reference image, enterprise structures, definitions, financial accounting, define company, click on new entries. Okay, so after this, what we need to do, we have to assign we have to define company code. Path is same, so we have to go to the enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Then we have to go. Same path is there, self reference image. So I'll just copy this and here we'll paste. Self reference image, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting, and define company code. So, how to define a company code? I'll just show you first. So, define. So, you have options called edit, copy, delete, check company code. So, you have to click here. Financial accounting, after that, you have to Select this one. Edit, comma copy, comma delete, comma check company code. Okay. So just click on this IMG activities, edit company code. Next you have to do edit company code data. You have to click on this. So I'll mention here edit company code. Okay, edit company code data, double click here. So we have to click on new entries. So as I told you, this what we have to do here, edit company code data. Okay, so edit company code data, click on new entries. So you have to double click here what I have shown you. Okay, so click on new entries. This all has been created. Click on new entries. Now we are creating company code MT28. Okay, so what is the company name? Tata Group of Company 28. City is Bangalore. Country India. INR, and this is EN. So make a note on this. So everyone is able to see that. Now see here, we have already done here. See, MT28 Tata Group of Company. Now I'm going to save this. So this is already exists storytelling. So it can't be done. So what we'll do? You have to cancel it. Maybe this company is there. So we'll do one more time MT28. If it is there, it is already there, so we have to create on our previous company, like what I'm saying, we have created last yesterday one company. So what is that company was there? Tata 10. Okay, that will use. 28 has been done, so 28 we can't do. So again we have to go to the edit, copy, delete company data, edit company data. So click on positions. If I'll do MT10, it is not there, so we can create that one. Okay, so I'll create one more time here. Edit company code, new entries. I'll be showing you once again MT10. Company name is Tata Group of Company 10. Okay, so city I am taking as a Bangalore. Country is India. Currency INR, and language key is English. Okay, save this. Okay, so it will ask you what is that one, some of the things. Now I'll select the company Name is Tata Group of Company 110. Here we have to do IN India. Reason is 10. Okay. Reason how it will be 10. So what is the Karnataka reasons that you can select here? 10. Okay. So country is India. Postal code I am giving postal code and city 560011. This is the postal code and city is Bangalore. Okay, other things also you can fill like telephone number, mobile number, that, but right now we have to fill this much only. So you can see the screen and the screen. So first you have to fill this one, then after click on save buttons you will get one more screen here. Anyone has any doubt in this? Hello students, anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so all are getting, click on this copy. Okay, so once you click on this tick mark, data will be saved here. Okay, so this is already we have created what yesterday, Tata Group of Company 10 ECC server. This is 900129. This is our code. So you have to click on continue button. So tick mark you have to click, or else you can press Ctrl S, directly it will save also. Okay, so data was saved. Again you click on save button, come back to the previous screen. So now you can check the position. After creations you need to check the positions MT10. So if I'll click on this, you can see our company code has been created. So click on save again and come back. So this you can close it. So this is called define company and define company code. Okay. Next we have to create define credit control areas. You have to click on define credit control areas. Path is same. You can just mention it. Go to SP arrow, self reference image, same procedure. SPRO. This next one is define credit control area. Okay. So this is the next options. Path will be the same, but little bit change. SPRO, self-reference, enterprise structures, definitions, financial accounting, but here we need to change. So what we need to write here? This is define credit control area. Define credit control area. Okay. So come back to here. So the screen is opening. So if you, this is called IMG activities. And if you are checking positions, so these are the defined control areas is there. We need to create because this is the new company. So how to create? Click on new entries. In the click new entries, you have to fill the credit control area. So I'm giving empty 10 here. Company code only I'm giving. Currency you can put INR, Indian rupees. Okay. Other things, credit limit I'm giving just 1 lakh. So just make a note, credit control area is MT10 INR and we have to do credit limit 1 lakh. Credit control area is like MT110 because this is our company. Okay. Then what to do? I rupees currency. Currency is INR. Don't use any cash lock for this. Just select INR. Okay. And next is credit limit. Credit limit you have to give 1 lakh. Okay. Credit limit you have to give 1 lakh. So you can see here. Then you have to click on save button. Okay, click on save button. So what will happen? Again you click on continue. So we have created data was saved. Just click on this and come back. So check the positions now. Empty 10. Click on this. So here we have to type credit control area for empty 10. So after the save buttons, what we need to do here? Like check the position. Check the positions. What you have to do? Credit control area is what you have to give? Empty 10. So company code empty 10 and your company will be, I'll just mention here Tata, for example Tata 10. So Tata 10 and it is a, just to mention is a, I'll just write the name here, Tata Group of Company. So you can practice in this way. Okay. Likewise, we can do company code is MT10. Make it as a bold. Increase the size. This is company code. You have to give company code on the new entries and you can fill this. This is the credit control area for MT10. Now all we have done here and click on the save button. Control S also you can press and you can click on save button. Data has been saved. So after filling this, so type what you will type here. It is showing on the screen. That is MT10 CCAR and descriptions. Okay. So CCAR stands for what is that? Credit control area. So here it will be descriptions. So CCAR is MT110 and description is credit control area for MT10. Okay, like this you can mention. Okay, so this is the path what I am telling. So till that any doubt you have students? After this click on save, come back to the previous sessions. Any doubts you have? Let me know anyone has any doubts, miss. Clarify with now. Hello.
No, ma'am.
Hello.
No doubts.
Okay. So next one, I'll tell you define business area. Define business area. So how to do define business area? As I told you, business area in the different, I shown in the top business area in the sense like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai that we need to create. Company code MT10, MT28 like this we can do, and this is the Tata group of company. If I'll change here as the Tata group of company, so you will be understand. So different company name if I'll give you'll be not getting, so I'll just change the name Tata group of company in this MT10, MT28 like this it is there. MT10, this is I am giving MT28. You can create any two companies, and business area Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Okay, so this is called business area. Now I'm going to do business area. So path is same. So I'll show you with the T code also how we'll be doing. First, I'll tell you the path. So SPRO here, defined credit control area is there. We need to change here as a defined business area. Defined business area. So what we need to do here, like just click on this define business area. So click on new entries. First you can see the positions. We have not created new company, so you have to click on new entries. So I'll give suppose HYD, or you can give same name also. I'm giving HYD, or first I'll give Bangalore BANG. So it will take only two names. So Bangalore. So here I'll type business area, business area for MT10. Okay, one more I'll take suppose HYDE Hyderabad, business area for 10. So you can create one, you can create two. Okay, so like this we can do here. Usually what will take your MT10 if you'll give, it will be easy for you. If I click on same, so an entry exists with the same key it is telling. Okay, so what we'll do here, MT110. So I'll be deleting this. Okay, I'll cancel it once. I'll do one more time. MT110 will take business area for MT10. Click on save. It's taking now. Click on continue button. Okay. So what is that business area? Descriptions business area for MT10. Click on new entries. We have business area and descriptions. In the business area, what you need to do, empty 10, and what you need to write descriptions here is like business area for empty 110. Like this you can feel it. Then click on save button. Okay, like this you can do here. Just click on save button, data has been saved, come back, check position. So next is click on positions. Click on positions, what is that you have to here? Uh, Business area, what is that? Empty 10, and click on continue button. Click on continue button. Okay, likewise we can do here. So business area, if we'll do, sorry, click on positions, you have to click on empty 10 and check the positions, it's already been created. Click on save. So data has already been saved here. Okay, so this is the procedure what we have to do for business area. Define credit control area, define business area, all we have done. Next we have to do assign. So what and all we have created now? Define company we have created, then define company code we have created, and next we have created define credit control area, define business area like this, and we have saved the button. So anyone has any doubts, anything you want to ask? So students, anyone has any doubts, ma'am? Apeksha, so Meghna, Misha, Tejasvi, all students, are you are getting? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if any stage you are not understanding, let me know. I'll clear one more time. Okay, so now you can see this things has been done. Now we have to assign the company code to company. Assign the company code to company. So how to assign the company code to company? So what is the procedure here? I'll just go to here and come back to the previous position, just save the button and come back. Now we have assignments in the enterprise structures, financial accounting. If I'll click on this financial accounting, and we have, so I'll just click on this, I will show you. See, enterprise structures definitions we did. Now we'll do assign. Okay, so I'll write the path here. So SAP reference image, enterprise structure definition, not what we need to do here is assignment. You can see assignment, then financial accounting, then assign company code to company. So after assignments, financial accounting, then What we need to do? Assign company code to company. Okay, assign company code to company. Now click on this image activity. So now you can see there is some more companies are displaying here, like Bangalore city is displaying and company code are displaying this one. So how to do this? We have to click on position. Okay, so I'll add the steps here. After filling this, click on position. Click on positions. Once you click on the position, just type the company code MT10. Okay, click on continue button. So positions, what you have to type? Company code. So click on positions, then you have to type company code. What will the company code? MT10. Okay. So after this, we have to fill the company name. So company name, you can click here. Now you can see my pointer where it is. Just click on this and search your company where it is. So my company code, I'll be searching MT10. MT10. Okay. Okay, company you have to search, not company code. Company is Tata 10. See, this is our company, Tata 10. Okay, Tata 10 we have to search and click on save. Okay, so all you are getting now how to do. First is MT10, you have to click on positions. Now what is displaying here? Same things I'll be writing in this. So country, city, company. Okay, so I'll write one box here. So this is CO, means that company code. Next is what? What is the next one? That is your city and company. City and company. Okay. So company code is MT10. City is, what is the city? City, that is Bangalore we have selected, right? We have selected what? Bangalore. And company is Tata 10. Okay. What is the company has given, that you need to type Tata 10. It does not require like is a caps lock or so small letters, does not matter. Automatically it will be taking as a caps lock only. So you need not to worry about this. I have typed in small letters, then it is taking as a capital letters. Need not to worry about this. Automatically system will take as a capital letters only. Okay. So this has been done. So understood students how to do? Click on save button. Data has been saved. Okay. So everything has been clear. Next I'll assign company code to credit control area. Okay, so assign company code to credit control areas. Next one, credit control area. So here the same path has to be follow. little bit changes are there. So financial accounting. So come back to the previous position. Then assign company code to credit control area. Next is image activities there. Assign company code to credit control area. So you have to click on this. Assign company code to credit control areas. So all are getting, students. Everyone is getting that. How to do this? So click on assign company code to credit control areas. Click on position. Okay. Then you have to click on position and give the credit control area here. Okay. So company code is MT10. Give the company code. Click on continue button. Company code it will ask. Just give MT10. Okay. MT10 and click on continue button. Or click on continue button is called tick mark. Okay, so understood, students, how to do this? Here we have to give how to select this. You have to select your this credit control area, search your company code MT10 here. This is the MT10 here. So credit control area. Click on save and save. Okay, so I'll be writing here how to do this. We have to take one table. So what has given here? Like code, you have to give company name CT. So this is code CO. Then CT. What is the next one? Company name CT CCAR. CCAR means credit control area. So this is the company. This is called CT. This is CCAR, credit control area. And next one is like this is not required. Just you have to do till this much. Okay. So company is MT10. This so code company is displaying as a your Tata group of company 10. So same things you need to type here. You need not to type, it will be there. So just you have to give the company credit control areas group of company. CT is Bangalore and this is MT10. Understood? This you have to give. After this, click on save button and save with the company itself. Okay. So these are the things here. Till this, any doubts you have, students? All these things you understood, how to assign company, how to define company, how to assign company. So all we have done here. Now take a look on this. I'll tell you after this now how to use. We'll create one company by using T codes. What is the T codes here? Define a company is OX15. So anyone is asking any doubts? Hello? So anyone has any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all are getting. Now we'll continue then. So you got the point how to assign a company financial accounting, define company we did, define credit control area, we created company code, we have defined business area, and in the assignment sections we have done assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area, and assign business area to this is not required. So we have just assigned company code to credit control area. Business area need not to assign. Okay, so these are the enterprise structures. First is financial accounting, define and assign structures. Now I'll tell you how to use T code in the T code bar. By using this, we can also create. This is the longer path, means by using the path we can go, or else we can use the T code bar and we can see. Just I'll come back one session here. Now here I'll use T code bars. SPRO is there. Okay, so SPRO, so you can see here I'll type here directly T code. So I come back one step back. This is safe easy access screen. I am here and I'll use T codes now. I will use T code. So how to use T code in this case? So define company, sorry, OX15, OX15. We'll do that one. Slash n you have to give OX15. Sorry. X15. You need not to type this caps lock OX15. You can keep press enter. Now it will take you to the define company. See, we have got this define company. So you have to click on new screen. I'll create suppose again one more company like TAGP 28 or I'll take 21. Okay, TAGP 21 company same procedure Tata group of company I'll give 21. Okay. Then we have to select here Bangalore. We have to select here India. Language key is like EN and currency. Those who have missed out, you can see one more time. I'm telling by using T code. So click on save. So it will ask you this company. So we are not using this company right now. What we need to do is create request. So here I'll do Tata group of company. What is that? 21. Okay, just click on save buttons. One more new code will be generated. So this is the prompt customized request ECC. This is 194, that was 192. Okay, click on continue button. So this has been saved. Likewise we can do for another, that is your, what is that, define company code. So define company code is OX02. So what we'll do here, slash n x OX02. Okay, slash then you should give and we have to click on new entries. So you can take the positions, we don't have that. So what we need to do, we have to click on new entries. Company code is MT21. So what will the company name? Tata Group of Company. Here I'll give 21. City is Bangalore. Country IN India. Currency is INR. Okay, and language is English. So click on save button. So this is already exists is taking. If it is not accepting, so you have to change this. Suppose I am giving here TA21. Okay, suppose TA21 I am taking TA21, it is accepting, so you can give company code is TA21, so it is accepting here. You have to select here company, Tata group of company. What is that? 21. Same procedure you have to do here. 560011. City is Bangalore. country India, and regions is like 10, which states you are belong that you can give here. Okay, other things you can say and click on copy, enter key, or you can press enter, click on this. So data has been saved, come back. So likewise you can use T code for this and save this. Next is assign company code to company OX16. So again you can come back to this previous slash n OX16, press enter. Now we are in screen change view assign company code. So now we are assigning the company. So take the position here. So TA21 we have given TA21. Click on positions. Now it is showing company we need to search. So here we have a find options. Here we find again. Here we have a copy. We have a print locally. So this is all we can do, and we have to search our company Tata 20 TAGP 21. Okay, so this is I can take and click on save. Save this. So this is assign company code to company by using T codes. Okay, save this and come back. Next we have define business area OX03. Define business area OX03. How we have to do? So slash n OX03. OX03. So here we have to business area we have to do what is have to do, we have to assign, click on the positions, business area we need to define, so it won't be there, TA21 won't be there, right? What we need to do, we have to come back again and slash and what is the T code here? See here OX03, it is O, this is 0. Okay, so OX03 we need to do slash and OX03, press enter. So taken positions, business area, it's not there, we have to click on new entries, TA21, and business area for what is that, TA21. Click on save button and continue. So data was saved here. So I have to check the positions it has been created or not. So TA21 I'll be checking, and you can see it has been created here. Click on save. Come back to the sessions. Now till this any doubts you have, students? Hello? Hello? Anyone has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So how to define a company, how to define company code, how to create a what is that, how to assign a company to company code, all these things we have got out. So next is we have I want to discuss some things like this path you can do and click on position, sorry. Next I'll tell you little bit discuss about the charts of accounts. So basically what do we mean by charts of accounts?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, before that, can we just have a little bit of theory like regarding the previous part?
Okay, once again. Tell me anything you want to ask.
No, ma'am, can we just have like a general theory regarding the previous part, like what it's for and what are we doing and everything?
Okay,
Just to brush
yesterday
up.
class you are asking. Yesterday class you
Yes.
are asking. Okay, we'll take you, no problem. One more time. See, You have missed out that class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I'll just revise because we have the time. So this practical sessions today this much. Once I'll say because maybe one two students has missed out yesterday class, I'll be showing once again. Not a problem. So as you know, this is a SAP course. This is SAP standard for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is the market leading ERP softwares for all the companies, all sizes of the company like that. So actually SAP is a ERP product. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning Package, where the data processing has to be done. Enterprise Resource Planning refers to type of software that organizations use to manage day-to-day business activities. Okay, just like purchase, sales, deposits, withdrawals, okay, receipts and payments, all types of transactions take into considerations. Management, sales department, productions departments, supply chain is purchase, sales, all these things has to be taken into consideration. So this is the ERP system structure. Financial management, customer relations with the vendors, okay, supply chain management like inward supplies, outward supplies, human resources management, manufacturing resources, this all has been related to ERP. Modern business process, this PPT I am sending today after the class itself. Already video is there, recordings we have sent, but if you want, I will send you this PPT and you can download it and you can save it. So soft floors, production planning, human resources, financial accounting, metal management, vendors, inventory means stocks, customer sales. These all the concepts which is comes under modern business process. Now this is the distributions, manufacturing, marketing, material, engineering, human resources, sales and finance. This all calls as the plannings and executions procedure. Okay, this is also related to ERP. Okay, ERP vendors. Vendors means suppliers. Who are the ERP vendors here? Microsoft, Cispro, Oracle, Ipcor, and SAP IFS. So these are the vendors of the what is that? ERP. Next, SAP. Who was actually SAP founder? So on April 1, 1972, five former IBM employees as founders. So these are the employees' name. Those who have founded this SAP software itself. You can read this. And Christian Scalens is the 10th October 2019 SAP CEO. Is an is in an exclusive interviews with the Business Today, explained with business globally. Looking forward today India, how it has been. So he is the CEO of SAP. Okay. Introduction. So SAP software is used to control the all types of critical business functions by integrating. This is the main things introductions and atomic key process. SAP helps organizations to run faster and more efficiently. It's a German language actually SAP. By storing data centrally, SAP software provides multiple business functions with real time and accurate insight into operations. So SAP System Applications Products is a widely used enterprise resource planning ERP. As I told you that. Okay. Next is what are the modules of ERP? SAP FICO. So that is known as financial accounting and controlling, which you are learning now. Okay. So SAP has a different modules also like SAP SD is sales and distributions, SAP QM, SAP quality management, SAP MM that is material management, SAP is productions and planning, SAP AB Advanced Business Applications Programming, SAP HRS Human Capital. So SAP methodology also it is there. Streamline, this is your SAP methodology we are telling about this. So what is the SAP methodology? Is projection, project preparations, business blueprint, realizations, final preparations and go live. So what is the project preparations? That is the stage one or we can say phase one. This phase set the baseline for successful SAP implementations and requires strategic decisions making on the certain factors such as defining projects goals. What are the objectives? See, every business have a goals and objective to achieve the profits, or there is this every business has objectives to or targets will be there. Establishing the scope of the implementations, planning the project sequence, budget plans, and implemented schedule. Blueprint in the sense like Phase 2, the business blueprint provides a common strategy of how a business process are to be mapped, like how the business procedure, what are the things has to be considered, how the sales and production has to be department has to be handled, and finance department has to be handled, business scenario, business process, process steps, and requirement of SAP solution implementations. Phase 3 is realizations. The process of this phase is to be implement all the business process requirement based on the blueprint. This reports one kind of this. The system configurations, methodologies provided package baseline. These all technical words are there. Major scopes and remaining the scopes. Final preparations, like the final preparations phase includes activities required to prepare both the systems, your employees as well as go live. Okay. Depending on the realizations and testing phases, result on ERP implementation methodology. So you can just decide the theories. You can just check with this, and I'll just show you today. Like testing and results will make the changes if required. Complete migrations of SAP system. So phase go live is the last phase. That is a phase 5 where everything has been done and the project is ready to implement. Okay. So go live is the time at which some things become available for use. In software development, for example, go live is the point at which goes moves from the text environment to the productions environment. As a verb, go live means to make such an event happens. Landscape. SAP landscape is like three things, like one is development, one is development server, quality assurance server, and production server. Okay. Development servers is like your includes three client sandbox, development, testing, customizing. See, I will tell you one thing here. In SAP there are two things, like one is client server and one is user. So we are the end users. Okay, we are using the softwares but we cannot develop the software. So there is a consultant level of SAP. Consultants are that they have experience of the 10 years, more than 15 years, those who have already worked on SAP software from long years. So they are known as consultant level. Okay, but we are right now end user level. Okay, we can use the software but we cannot develop the softwares, but consultant they can software developer we can say, and they can implement the projects also. Okay. Production server is known as the golden clients, another SAP landscape client where another where data reaches after all the integrations. So difference between landscape and structure, there is some things you can read on this. SAP architecture is three-tier architectures like presentations layer, GUI, applications layer, and database layer. If I'll show you in a structure, I can see this is the presentations layer, this is the applications layer. This is just like we have a higher level department to lower level department. Clerk is there, executive, then manager, then like this. So we have higher to lower and lower to higher departments are there. So this is the presentations layer. You can read whatever I have given. What is the database layer? All these things. SAP login process, I'll show you once again how to open the SAP if I missed out the class. Okay, today I'll switch on this and I'll off this. So I'll show you how to log on procedures. Define the SAP login is a Windows program and used to log on systems with your Windows PC. Okay, it meditates the SAP system in GUI interface. So this is the thing. Enterprise structures today I have discussed. What is that? Company code, you can see here company is there, company code, three codes like MT10, MT20, MT20, and you can get, but company is Tata Group like this. So they have a different department like sales, productions, management. Okay, finance department, this also has been divided. So this is called your enterprise structure. Okay, so your client, company code, sales organization, distributions, credit control area, okay, sales area, sales office, sales group, financial management is there, control area is there, plant and warehouses, mines, godowns and all, it's there. Okay, so here we have a company already we have discussed, and this we have done. What is the company here? A company is the organizational unit, SAP F5. Okay. Company code. The company code is the central organizational unit of external accounting. Within the SAP systems, you must define at least one company code before implementing the financial accounting components. The business transactions relevant financial accountings are entered. So business area is an organization's unit, external financial. So business area means which area, like just like I have given one example of Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. Where is the company codes? Means one sections is there, one branches are there. That is called business area. Okay. So business area, like you can see ABC group of companies. Sorry, company codes ABC apparel, ABC shoes, ABC services, business area, and this like different places. Credit control area is what? A credit control area is the organizational unit for specifying the controlling customer credit limits. That's what I have given 1 lakh as a credit limit for the customers. So a credit control area can include one or more company codes. It is not possible to divide a company code into several credit control areas. Okay, not possible to divide a company code into several credit because there is a one credit limits we are giving. Okay, so these are the things, and the credit control area manages and set the credit limit for the customer to protect the company from the risk of bad debts. Like suppose your company is given to loan someone, so that should be recoverable. If it is not recoverable, then the company will be suffering loss, and it is the loss to the company and multiple outstanding receivables. For that, we are giving credit control area, means credit limits we are giving to the customer. So these all are things I'll be sending you. Okay. Uh, any other queries you have? Now, anything anyone to ask?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
so go
Thank
through
you.
this PPT. Okay, so I was telling yesterday, today I'll be sending you, and recordings of this today's class also will be sending in the group itself. Okay, and this file, this what I have done today, that also I'll be sending you. So one presentations, one this enterprise structures file, workbook, and as well as our recordings also will be getting by tomorrow itself. But these two files I'll be sending you after the class itself. Okay. Before that, I want to discuss with charts of accounts theory part will be starting tomorrow. Charts of accounts. Now you can see what are the tomorrow's topics will be this part. This I am going to send tomorrow. Okay. Define charts of accounts, assigns company charts of accounts to company code, define accounts group, and define retained earnings. This will part will be covered tomorrow. Okay, after this we'll be discussing define fiscal year variant, define fiscal year things. So simultaneously the class will be running like as a practical things. So I'll just little bit tell you before ending the sessions, like what is the charts of accounts. Charts of accounts in Tally also it is there. In normal basics of accounts we know. Assets. Assets is nothing but the property of the business. Liability is what? It is that amount which a company is liable to pay to the creditors. Creditors means suppliers. Suppliers of what? Suppliers of goods and services. Like suppose you are going to the market, you are buying some items, then that party is issuing a bill to you. So that party is known as the suppliers. Okay. Likewise, assets is known as the property of the business, liability is known as the payable amount. Okay, likewise capital is known as owner's equity, and capital is also considered as a liability for the business. Why? Because if I'll take an example, suppose you have a 1 lakh, you need one more lakh to start a business. Okay, suppose you want to start a cosmetic business or any other business, so you need capital at least 2 lakhs to start a business. So you have 1 lakh and you are taking 1 lakh from the bank loan as a loan. So that total is 2 lakhs is considered as a capital, and which is known as liability, because when your company, after starting the company, if your company is getting profit, you have to return with the interest. Okay, we have to clear your debts with the interest. That's what the capital is known as liabilities. Likewise, we have revenue. Revenue in the sense like we have a sales channel. Sales. When you are doing sales, any type of goods or services, then you are getting income. That is known as your revenue. Just like interest receipt, okay, discount receipt, commission receipt, okay, and these are all known as rent receipt. These are called revenue. Expenses, what is that? Just like rent received, rent paid, salary paid, interest paid, discount allowed. Okay, depreciation, these are all expenses. Appreciation is also a revenue. Okay, here we have given some examples like sales is revenue, and returns and allowances, cost of goods sold, marketing and advertising expenses is known as also expenses. Office supplies expenses, salaries and wages, and payroll taxes. That is also expenses. So in SAP, we have three types of charts of accounts. What is that? Operating chart of accounts. The operating chart of accounts in SAP is used to recording the day-to-day transactions. Yesterday I told you what do you mean by transaction itself. Transactions means day-to-day activity of the business, okay, related to money. If there is no money, there is no business. So if I'll tell you what are the transactions here: purchase, sales, deposits, withdrawal, receipts and payments, is known as transactions, and it is all belongs to the operating charts of accounts, okay. Daily transactions. Then one more is there, country specific charts of accounts, which will be discussed tomorrow, and group charts of accounts. So these are the things. I'll send you this uh, what is that, your workbook, enterprise structures as well this. So any doubts you have, students? So all you are getting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you downloaded that yesterday recordings? You can save the recordings, you can see. Now I'll send this. Okay, so what I'm saying, just a minute, I'll be sending here. This I will be discussed tomorrow, not today. Okay, this is MT20, this is company code. I'll just,
Ma'am,
yes, tell me.
to download the software, does it only have to be done on Windows?
Windows 10 is required. Windows 8 and 10 is required.
Can it
So,
be downloaded on MacBook?
okay, you have to check with the admin. MacBook, it is,
Okay.
but Windows actually it will support. Windows 10 is very good. It will be faster. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the things. MacBook you have. Okay, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
check with this our one centers. Center contact number I'll be giving you, or
Okay.
admin system admin contact number I'll be telling you. Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you,
stay
ma'am.
online for 5 minutes. Okay. Just 5 minutes you stay online. I'll be contacting you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Who and all wants to install the software? 2 o'clock.
Me,
Can
ma'am.
you 2 o'clock? Can you come to our center, NICT Jayanagar?
Uh, Ma'am, can I come on a Sunday?
Sunday you are asking?
Yes,
Sunday is
ma'am.
not possible. In working days, you come till Saturdays. Any day after 2 o'clock, you can come. The software
Okay,
installations, it
ma'am.
will take time 2 to 3 hours. So that's what I'm telling. It's possible on working days because
Okay.
Sundays it will be closed after 1 o'clock. So it's not possible on Sunday. So this week you
Okay.
can come. So all you are interested means you can come, because if
Okay.
you install, then only you will be able to do whatever I am doing in the software. Okay.
Okay.
So I already spoke about this, and you're always welcome to our center. Okay. So that's all for the day, students. We'll wind up the sessions today. Okay. Next class will be tomorrow. Same time, 6:30. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.